Hey guys, welcome back to the Weiss Life. Today we have some really fun things planned, right?
Maybe, yes, yes, I'm tired. I did get dressed today though, and I'm hanging out on the sofa right now with Gemma. I'm, what, like 32 weeks pregnant now?
Yeah.
I'm tired all the time, and I'm not sleeping that great at night, and I just feel tired all the time. The baby, I feel like, is getting so big. Like, I feel like my stomach all of a sudden is a lot bigger than it was. You guys can let me know. But today what we're hoping to do, this little one wants to go swimming. She's been swimming every day. We put her on our pool. We have like a pool solar heater.
Yep.
So it's super warm right now. It's like 80-degree water. So she's like a little fish. But aside from that, what I need to do is pack for the hospital because we're leaving soon to go to San Francisco where we're going to be delivering the baby. And I have nothing packed yet. Yeah, you remember we talked about it? You go to the doctor and the doctor helps to get the baby out.
But we're delivering the baby there.
They deliver it like they're like a pizza.
They have deliver it. But you can stay here till it's big.
I'm gonna stay here until it's ready,
big.
until it's bigger, and then we go to the hospital, and then we're gonna have the baby. Are you excited about the baby?
Yeah.
She said that she wants to help take care of it, but she's afraid about the diapers.
Well, that's okay. I can help with the diapers, okay?
Mommy and Daddy will do the diapers. You can like play toys with them, okay?
Yeah.
She's very excited.
I can play toys with him with his baby toys.
With his baby toys, that's right.
Yeah, and you could probably, I usually help you with your showers. Maybe you would get help the baby with his little bath or shower.
Did you see the little bathtub we got for him? The little flower one upstairs?
Yeah.
That's where we're gonna give him a bath in there when he comes home. You can help, okay?
Okay, but I can let him borrow some of my number letters.
Oh yeah, some of your bath toys?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, thank you.
So we're gonna pack today. We have to do all that, go through, like pack like the hospital bag for the baby, the stuff for me. Jeff needs some stuff.
Me too.
You're not going to the hospital, you're staying with grandma. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. We might run out and do some shopping today. I'm still not sure yet. But yeah, that's kind of what our plan is. So we'll see what actually happens. Going upstairs quick to get the suitcases because obviously you need suitcases to pack. We have a bunch of the stuff in the front room that we gotta get packed, and I gotta check on the kids too. I think they're doing schoolwork and cleaning and doing all little kid stuff. Look at this, little studious Gretchen. Just turned 8. How was your birthday?
Good.
Good, get lots of fun stuff?
Yeah.
You got, Uncle Christian got you a game or something, didn't he?
Yeah, he got me.
I think Smash Bros.
Yeah.
Super Smash Bros, nice. Working on, what is this, handwriting here?
Yeah.
Nice, 2nd grade, doing it right. And he's got the luggage. There's a little gold one in this one, and there's one more upstairs. But how long are we packing for? It kind of depends, right? Like around a week, 10 days, maybe. Right. So this is the thing. We actually are bringing suitcases instead of like a smaller. We'll have a smaller bag to take to the actual hospital. But I have to be close to the hospital before I deliver. And since we're about an hour and a half away from San Francisco, we're going to be staying at a hotel for the week before I deliver. So we need suitcases and a hospital bag for the baby, and a hospital bag for me, and then whatever you plan on bringing. Not much. Looks like you guys are working on a little artwork.
Yeah.
Mark.
Yeah, I'm working on marshmallow.
You're working on marshmallow? Oh yeah, meat marshmallow. That looks really good.
I'm working on this mermaid LOL though. I'm not really sure what her name is.
It's a cute little mermaid.
Yeah.
Nice. And it is time for lunch. And I'm really excited to let you guys know that we are partnered with Green Chef. Yeah, they're sponsoring today's video, so big thanks to Green Chef. If you guys did not know who they are a USDA certified organic company that makes eating well super easy and affordable. So Melissa's already prepping the food, and today we are having, let's see if I can focus here, barbecue pork cheeseburgers. And those look amazing. So good. We actually ordered 3 different meals, and we pretty much decided that we're having the cheeseburgers right now. You guys have probably seen us work with HelloFresh in the past, and want to let you know that Green Chef is actually owned by HelloFresh, so that way you have kind of a wider variety of meals to choose from. So between the 2 brands, there really is something for everyone. We like switching back and forth between the 2 to have a wider variety of meal options. So if you didn't already know, the ingredients come pre-measured, perfectly proportioned, and mostly prepped. You can see Melissa's just, what are you, dicing or wedging? I am wedging the potatoes, but they're gonna go in a baking sheet in just a minute. I just have to finish cutting them. Yeah, and also I really like that it comes with like certain spices and sauces, so you can add a lot more flavor, and it's like super convenient. Another reason we like Green Chef is because they have contactless delivery. They just kind of drop it off right at your door. And then also essentially they're doing all of the shopping and prep work and leaving just like a little bit of assembly for us. The recipes are quick and easy with step-by-step instructions, chef tips, and photos to guide you.
Green Chef has plans for every kind of lifestyle, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and keto. Just finishing a little prep work here. What do we have left to do? We have to...
I'm gonna put the seasoning on the potatoes real quick, throw them in the oven. It says they have to cook for like 22 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna start cooking the pork for the patties.
If you're interested in trying out and learning more about Green Chef, go to greenchef.us/90Weiss Life and use code 90Weiss Life to get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box.
All right, it's taste test time. How's it?
It is really very good. It is a juicy burger and it's got some nice toppings on it. And these fries, these potato spears, what are they
Wedges.
called? Potato wedges.
Wedges.
It's all about the shape. Are seasoned perfectly.
Thanks again to Green Chef for sponsoring this video.
Yes, it was super, super good. I'm really full and could totally take a nap right now. If you guys are interested in trying out Green Chef for yourself, you can go to greenchef.us/90Weiss Life and use our code 90Weiss Life.
And you'll save $90 off and get free shipping on your first box.
All of it's gonna be linked in the description box below. So it's baby packing time, and we just got our stroller delivered, what, like a week or so ago?
Yeah.
I'm super excited about this. We got the newer version of the one that we had for Gemma, which we really liked, except in all black. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. Graceland came down to help. She wanted to see all the baby things. Yeah. So we're gonna be taking the whole stroller system, even though we'll only take the car seat into the hospital because we're gonna be staying, like I said, at a hotel. Did I mention that? We're staying at a hotel by the hospital?
For a couple days, yeah.
Couple days. So we're bringing that, and then we're also gonna bring the car seat base and then the bassinet attachment, which is in the little bag over there.
The little bag, it's like a huge bag.
It's pretty big.
It's like half to my torso. It's a little bag. It's
So if we end up spending the night with the baby like at the hotel before we come home, he can sleep on the little bassinet part attached to the stroller.
Takes
so
some getting used to, right?
I know. It's still weird to me. I'm still shocked that we're having a boy. They've checked like a million times. It's definitely a boy. I'm just very surprised.
Mom, we have to double check again.
They like have quadruple checked, like literally. Jinx.
So which one are we packing for right now?
Okay,
You or the baby?
So this is my stuff.
And is that going in the littler suitcase here?
I think the little one's gonna be for the baby. But so for my hospital stay, and I don't have like a going home outfit because I'll likely probably bring something like this because we're gonna be staying at the hotel. I'm gonna have like clothes like leggings and like
It's a
sweaters.
different cape. Just
Yeah.
cape.
Same outfit, different cape.
I think I'll just pull from the luggage that we'll already have for like whatever I'm gonna wear home from the hospital. But I did order some really cool things off of Amazon. Some little like, these are
Like
it
little
looks like a
dresses?
dress,
Like
but
gowns?
It's actually like a gown, and this one's kind of wrinkly because I
It's
just
probably
unpacked
gonna be
it.
really good for breastfeeding when he's born. So
I mean, I think so. But so I got 3 of these because they're like little pajamas. I
Perfect.
do need
Oh,
some,
like so blue, green, and like gray.
I got
This
blue.
burgundy one's kind of cute. Kind of triple burgundy.
Yeah.
Oh, burgundy?
Because I'm not sure yet how long I'm going to be in the hospital. Depend on like if I have the
How long the
C-section, if I have complications. So I might need like more pajamas than I thought. So I got 3 of these.
Perfect.
And then I did get a labor and delivery gown, which I haven't even opened. Should I open
Labor
it?
and delivery gown?
Yeah, like remember what that
Oh
was?
yeah, so you can deliver in style.
And this was from Amazon too. This is cute.
Yeah.
The flowers are doing very good.
I mean, it's kind of like a smock,
It looks like an art smock.
right? I mean,
But it like opens in the back and stuff for like epidural
No, it's good.
access and everything. The other stuff that I'm bringing for me, I've got shower shoes.
yeah, Grayson was showing those. Those are like little pink slides.
And slippers. And
Okay.
a bunch of pairs of socks.
It's good.
And then for after the babies comes, and if I'm just in the hospital and not wearing like those pajamas, I did find this really cute little pajama set. It's not maternity or like delivery or anything, but it has like little shorts and like a little
Little
top.
loose top, nice.
And a bathrobe, and I thought it was super cute because it was blue. So
Oh,
maybe like if
nice.
we take some pictures with me and the baby at the hospital, I can wear this.
Cute.
And then the other stuff is pretty much like toiletries. Oh, except for this. And if you guys watching have kids, let me know if you use something like this after delivery. But I got this like stomach wrap thing.
Oh yeah.
Waist trainer kind of.
Like comes in 2 parts. It's like good for like C-sections or regular deliveries since I'm not sure what I'm having yet. It looks like a lot though.
Because all
Like
your
a lot
stomach
going on.
muscles moving
Well, probably
around.
different choices.
It helps your stomach muscles like go back together or like hold everything in, like if you have a C-section. And like I guess I've never had a C-section, but from what I keep hearing from people is like if you cough or like you need support because it like,
Oh,
hurts
yeah.
your muscles.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah.
what this is for. So if you guys tried one of these and liked them, let me know. So the rest of the stuff here is basically just toiletries. I feel like I am gonna need a few more things, but I really can't pack them until like we're leaving. Like my face wash I have in the shower.
Toothbrush.
Well,
oh, you got a new
got
one.
a new toothbrush.
Man.
I need to get a new one for you
Oh,
to
yeah.
pack in here. And then Jeff's gonna have his own little toiletry bag and everything as well. So I don't know if you want to put your clothes and stuff though in the same suitcase as me or like a separate
No,
one.
I could do it. I might even just put mine in like a backpack, like a go bag, you know, like just like a quick, like a change of clothes and like some trail mix and a toothbrush and I'll be good.
Trail mix.
Deodorant.
We do need snacks. So that's something that I don't have here, but we're planning on getting. That was like on the list. I also had a couple other things like on a list that we have to throw in at the end, like right before we leave. Yeah, this is what I could get like for right now, but I think this is pretty good. This is pretty much all I'm gonna need with the exception of those few items. And then the baby, we're trying to like figure out what all we're gonna bring for him too. So let me grab all that stuff and then I'll show it to you guys too.
These are so cute. They match the little bears match the little bear outfit.
They do.
I can't really say it's full on top of all of it, but
So we do need to kind of pare this down a little bit, but this is the stuff that we're planning on bringing for baby. And as of right now, like there's some stuff that's not in here because I know the hospital's gonna provide it, like diapers and baby wipes and like what else is the hospital? Like I'm trying to remember like
Well, they
all
do.
the stuff.
You do get a little hat usually and a little wrap.
Blankets,
and
they give you, like, a
some
blanket.
basic diapers.
these ones are cute because we picked them out.
Graceland picked these out to bring for the baby. These are just those little muslin blankets that we love so
They're
much. Like
thin ones,
Gretchen and
but-
Gemma love these too.
Like you don't get too hot, but you don't get too cold, so like it's perfect for baby.
Oh yeah, that's
So these are that we bought like I think we have 9 of them total is what we bought for him, but we're bringing 3. And then okay, so I
They're
found
gonna have them and they're gonna be like, pull the balloons.
Jeff, get it ready.
So I am not sure yet if we're gonna use these, but I saw a really
It's a
cute
voice
picture on Instagram of another mom where she did this, where like in recovery, they took some pictures like in the hospital room and everything, and then they had a little sign.
That's
And I
cute.
think hers said like, I can't remember who it was, but hers was like baby girl. And so I found this at Target and I thought, okay, like we'll get this. We might not use it, but I thought it was a cute idea. So
Yeah.
kind of like the other stuff, like if we use it, we use it. If we don't, we don't. But I thought it was cute. So blankets. Oh yeah, this little thing is like pretty much all the little accessories, which really the only thing that I found that you need for the baby at the hospital is actually nail clippers because the hospital for some reason does not have them.
You have to be really careful about cutting baby's nails.
Dad's
They're
I'm
really
good.
soft and gentle because
I'm
their
pro.
nails are really bendy.
Yeah.
And
Dad's
That's right.
a pro, but all the rest of the stuff like they typically do have at the hospital, but this just comes as a little kit, so we'll probably just bring the whole thing because it has a little bag of its own. In addition to the blankets, these are like little burp cloths, which I thought might be good to bring.
Yep.
I'm not sure yet. We're trying to pack pretty light, but
who like burps with
Yeah.
like
well.
Burping and barfing.
And then Jeff and I, because we didn't know what the situation was with my delivery, like if I was going to be recovering in a separate room, not being able to see the baby, or if the baby, was with you for a while and I wasn't able to pump or something. We did get a couple little newborn, like it's like the formula, it's already pre-made with the little nipples on it. And that was like a just in case thing. I know the hospital does typically have stuff like this, but from what I understand, it's kind of just like
You just
whatever.
want to get the better one just in case it's
Well,
not
it's
that.
whatever was given to them by like the formula people for free, so it's not like you have a choice. So I got a couple different kinds just.
You made your
in
own
case.
choices.
So who's gonna sample those beforehand? So I could just try them and see what the baby will like.
You can. That would be funny actually. We could make a TikTok doing that. Same thing with this stuff. Like the hospitals, they'll like let you use like a hospital grade pump when you're there. And in case I was able to do that or I was there for longer than a day or two, I did bring a little bottle and some breast milk bags. But I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna need these or not. It was just kind of like a just in case
Just
thing.
do it. They all go together and you can put the milk in the bottles.
Right.
That's
Here
the
you go.
story.
You picked this little thing out, didn't you? This little.
Yeah, that's kind of we don't know how old he's gonna be when he's born. Obviously he's 0, but like how many weeks?
Right, and so like this was
How
for the
big
car
is it?
seat, like to help support his head if we needed, because there's like a couple different sizes. I actually think that some people like don't like these anymore. Like that's kind of controversial, but I feel like with our last couple kids, we had these little.
I don't know. We'll play it by ear. So if it doesn't look right, if we put it on, if we
See
need
how
to use
it
it,
fits.
and it doesn't look right, then we're just not going to use it.
Right, but we
yeah.
did get it. And then as far as clothes goes, and this is something that we joked about yesterday, and we were kind of going through this.
These are like little Smurf hats.
Look how little these hats are.
They're
So
cute.
these are newborn hats, and this came as a set of 3. But then this is also a newborn hat that came as a set of 3. So there's quite a big size discrepancy.
He's got a
Teletype-
huge
I was
head.
like Teletubbies. Like they have those little things on top of their head.
So we don't know how big his head's gonna be, so we're bringing both sets. But I mean, I just thought that was weird that they both were classified as newborn.
Yeah.
And then, oh, this is the little baby prison that Dad called it a little baby
Yeah,
prison.
it's perfect. It's a little snuggle outfit.
What did you
I would
call it?
hate. I would hate these cartoons.
No, you actually had one of these and you loved it.
Yeah, babies like being
I
snuggled.
mean, did I tell you I liked it? Or like,
Yeah,
how
you
did I
did.
tell
You did because you would be quiet and go to sleep.
Right?
We put you in one of those and you would just be like, I can't move.
It's like
I
a
might as well
baby
sleep.
straight jacket. So we have one of these little wraps, this newborn size, and then we got a bunch of different little mittens because they tend to scratch themselves. So those little white ones, and then these are the two little bear and like clouds that went with.
the clothes.
They match the clothes, so that's right. So we got these little
Little
onesies,
outfits.
which I think he might wear one of these home from the hospital. Because of the car seat, the little gowns we brought probably won't work. So maybe something like this. Like
I
how
think
cute
I'm
is
just
this?
obsessed with these little white clothes because I've never seen many
Look
of
how
them.
little it is.
That's all I have is sisters. I like holding them and putting them to sleep.
So I have 4 because it was a set of 4, but I don't think we need 4. I think
Probably
we'll probably
not.
end up just bringing like
You have to
2.
bring this one.
That one's really cute.
Yeah, it's a
But I think he'll
And the matching
probably
gloves. You have to
come
bring
home
that.
from the hospital in one of these because the other options we brought are like the little baby gowns and these don't fit well in car seats. So I think this is pretty much everything we're gonna bring for him. I know the hospital is gonna provide a bunch of stuff. All of this should fit in this little tiny suitcase.
Oh yeah.
And unless you can think of anything else, I mean,
Just some snacks. Maybe baby wants some little Chex Mix or some of like Muddy Buddy stuff I like.
Dad probably wants that. But we're just kind of preparing for like potentially a longer stay than like we would normally because of all the complications and stuff.
Yeah, if they have to
And
do a
so
C-section, then it might be a couple extra days.
it could be, and then depending on when he comes, like if he's early, it could be extra time because he needs help for something. So we're bringing a little bit more than like we typically need, but I feel like this is sufficient, hopefully.
Yeah, that's good.
And we're trying to get all packed up today, and then we're gonna keep these suitcases probably in our front room here by the door,
yeah.
just like as a go bags. And then the other thing that we're gonna do, like we said, is we have to pack like for the week, just like clothes for the hotel and stuff. So that'll be separate.
So I guess we're gonna try to get all of that into that little suitcase there. Want to thank Green Chef again for sponsoring this video. If you guys want more information about them, go check out the link in the description box below, and we will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.